Good morning, equity guys. Welcome to equity guys pre-market video. I'm Manjunath, NISM technical analyst. So let's see what happened yesterday in the market. So Nifty 50 closed at 41 points negative, Nifty Bank 107 points negative, Sensex 120 points negative. Three mother indices closed at negative, so data is bearish. India volatility index, that is fear index, you can see there is some minus changes. That is means the fear is reducing, so you can expect some bullish rally. But let's see others whether other conditions are supporting for it for a bullish rally. We doesn't know. We will clarify in the end. Then crude oil December future, which is running price of pre-COVID level of 6,500. That is bullishness. Then Gift Nifty, everything we will see in the end. But don't forget about gold piece and silver piece. Gold piece has it reached 111, then it came down to 110. But silver piece is 192. Silver piece is unstoppable. Okay, let it be. Then we will focus on Nifty 50 now. So Nifty 50, yesterday it opened near 25,900. Then it could not sustain about 25,900, which acted as strong resistance zone. Then 25,800. This is a zone where market consolidated yesterday. So you can see the channel where Nifty had took resistance from the channel low and it's forming big red candles. So data is bearishness. Now let's go to sectoral wise. Nifty 80 performed well yesterday. There is good news, positive, but other sectors like Nifty Bank, Nifty Infrastructure, Nifty Auto sector and metal sector had performed negatively. So data is bearishness. Then advanced decline ratio. Then advanced decline ratio is negative. You can see sentiment is on bearish side. In Nifty 50, yes, advanced decline ratio, it is equal. So neutral data, Nifty Bank, it is positive. So I can say some recovery is possible in the day. Okay. Then let's go to option chain. Option chain, in the money call option is selling, out of the money call option is selling. So data is bearishness. In the money put option is buying, out of the money put option is selling. So this is bearish consolidation. The day, I repeat, bearish consolidation. PCR ratio, it is almost near 0.55 or zero point 0.6. So if it comes less than 0.5, then the market will be called as oversold zone, or it will come back to oversold zone from where V-shaped market is possible. V-shaped recovery is possible in Nifty 50. Let's see. But at the time, support and resistance as per option chain, you can see the strong resistance zone or strong support zone is at 25,800 and 25,900 is a strong resistance zone as per option chain. Today's opening is very, very important, and first 15 minutes high and low will, if it breaks out this zone, then we have to look out for the option chain to get clarity about support and resistance. 26,000, you can see a strong resistance zone as well here. So mark that zones without fail. Then FIDA activity in cash market, FIs are buying. That's fantastic. Yesterday they entered the market and DIs also entered the market. So you can see some liquidity in the market and some bullishness. Let's see in the end. Okay, a Fendo segment, or you can say derivative market, index futures, FIs are selling, stock futures also, FIs are selling. So you can see there is a selling in derivative market and there is some buying in cash market. Let's see how it will impact in our economy. Okay, now let's go to global market. US 30 is selling, yeah, that is neutral. US 500 is neutral. You can see US Tech 100 is also neutral. So data is neutral. US futures are in neutral zone. Then how it closed yesterday. So Dow Jones closed negative. S&P 500 is 1.16% negative. So Nasdaq is also 1.81% negative. So data is bearish. European market, DAX is negative, FTSE 100 is positive, but CAC 40 is again negative. So you can see mixed bearish data. Again, let's go to Asian market. Asian market Nikkei, you can see a strong sell-off, or you can see gap down approach at 698 points of gap down or 700 points of gap down. The market is going below 49,000. So that's, I can call it as bearishness or downtrend. Hang Seng, yesterday it closed positive. Kospi, it closed positive yesterday. So let's see how, as per Nikkei, we can see some sell-off in Asian market, like in Indian market as well. Now look, let's go to ADRs. Infosys ADR, there is buying. Wipro ADR, there is buying. But ICICI, HDFC Banking, there is a sell-off. You can see IT sectors had led yesterday. So they are buying. IT sectors are in demand. You can see sectoral-wise, IT sectors are buying. But other sectors are selling. You can see here, Dr. Reddy's Lab also is buying. So data is bearishness. Based on that one, let's mark support and resistance. Before that one, let's see demand in derivative market. If you compare Nifty December future with the Nifty 50, yes, there is some derivative demands. So I can call it as bullish. Okay, Bank Nifty December future compare with Nifty Bank. Yes, the demand is there in derivative market. So data is very bullish. But let's compare Gift Nifty with Nifty December future. If you compare, so just see, look out for today's open, how it will be like by the time of 7:30, if you see some difference in Gift Nifty, which is positive or which is running at premium price compared to Nifty December future, we can say gap up. But as of now, it is suggesting some flat open. Based on that one, let's have support and resistance. You can see R1 of 25,930, that is yesterday's high. Then 25,980, that is second resistance, which is below 26,000. Very, very important. Then we have 25,000, 26,050, like that. Third resistance zone. Support side, we have 25,770. Yesterday, again, it came back to 25,700 levels. So the first support is 25,770. Second support is 25,700 is our second support zone. So based on this one, what is our investment point of view, yes, we might get one more opportunity. We are somewhere, we are in downtrend, or you can say some price correction is possible in the year end, because see, year end, the people used to hold a short position for a year, or they are holding some positions for this December futures. So they are booking their profits, or you can say they are saying some sell off, or they are holding their positions which is below 26,000. So market may be correct doing its correction for time correction or price correction, you can call it. So I will call it one more opportunity, will get it either near 25,500, like that. Let's see. But today's view, intraday point of view, the data is sell on rallies until first 15 minutes high is taken out, because FIS, you saw some buying is in cash market. Then PCR ratio is also in near oversold zone. So the market may see some V-shaped recovery in the market or in the day. Okay, so trade your setups, not your views or my views. So have that one. So with that, thank you. All the best. Have a great day.